The landslide that happened in the estate area close to the famous tourist center Munnar of Kerala is a very tragic incident. Around 28 bodies have been till now searched out by the agencies involved in the disaster relief activities. More than 40 people are still missing. The NDRF, the local police and the fire force, I congratulate them for the tireless effort they are engaged in. I convey my condolences and share their grief to the loved ones of those who have lost their lives. But this should also be an eye-opener for the government, since Kerala is considered to be a very developed state, but in such a state, pathetic conditions in which the plantation laborers are having their day-to-day life, that should be an eye-opener. The medical facilities, the communication system, the road facilities, everything leaves much to be done. I am sure urgent efforts will be made by the state government to take care of these issues.
Sir, when will the rescue efforts?
I had a discussion with the NDRF Deputy Commandant. I was told that these search operations will continue at least for one more week. That is their assessment at present. But ultimately, such decisions cannot be planned in advance. Depending on the situation, I am sure they will take a call and they will make every effort to identify and to search out everyone who is missing at the moment. Now 28 bodies have been found. 40 people are yet considered to be missing.